Hey guys, it's Jaden from Tech for Days, and today we have a double unboxing. So first up, we have the Skiva lightning cable. Now these are a 2-pack lightning cable. They are 3.2 feet and they're mFi certified, and they are USB sync and charge cables. So you can sync and you can charge all of your Apple devices that use lightning cables with these cables. The next item we're unboxing today is the Skiva PowerVolt A5000. Now this is a portable battery pack for basically any device. It has a 5000 milliamp battery. It is rapid charging and you can pretty much charge whatever you want with it. It's a dual USB port and it is very light and compact. So this is actually a 2-pack, as I said, so you get a really good value for your money, and this one is actually very, very rapid charging with an LED indicator, and it's super small, portable, charges whatever you want. To start off, we're going to unbox the PowerVolt A5000 first. So we simply lift the box, first we actually take off the seals. And I really like Skiva products. They always really impress me with their products, and I really am excited about this product. So let's hurry up and open this. So I got the tape off and we are going to open this top part. We have it open, and here we have a warranty guide, user manual stuff, and here we actually have a foam piece. This is actually really cool. Their packaging is always different and interesting. And here we actually have a micro USB cable, and it actually looks like a lightning cable, which I think is really cool. They used the lightning cable design. It's really thin, as you guys can see. I think that's really cool. And so here we have the compact battery right here. Very nice, and it does have a bit of weight to it, but it's very compact. Now what sets this battery aside from all other random batteries that they sell, this one is actually super awesome. So you get a micro USB cable right here, simply nice and small, and you plug it into your Android device that uses micro USB. Now it's very nice. It actually has a cable management system, so you simply put in the noodle cable and you snap it into its place. It's actually really nice. I really like that feature. Very nice feature. And something that I haven't seen on external batteries yet is actually a lightning cable connector. We have a lightning cable connector. Finally, I have not seen a battery with this yet. This is actually built in, and of course it's mFi certified, and for once it's actually built in to an external battery. You don't have to use your old lightning cable. You can use the one that's built in. And this one also has the cable management system, and this one is just so cool. So here you can actually just store it so nothing happens to it. You don't mess up the cable or anything. And here you have your LED indicator, so you just press this and boom, you have a nice bright blue LED indicator to tell you how much battery you have left, and it's really nice. So it's not cheap at all. So here you have the micro USB input to charge the device, and here they give you this is a pretty long cable to charge this battery. You simply plug it in and you just get a little wall charger, and boom, you're charging. And it is fairly long, as you guys can see, which is very nice. And that's just about it. So this thing is really compact. You can I didn't even know that it had micro USB and lightning. I thought it was just micro USB, but it has both, and they're stored in the battery. Now some of the specifications of the external battery is it is lithium ion, the input is 5 volt 1 amp, and the output is 5 volt 2 amps, and then each of the micro USB and the lightning cable are actually 5 volts 1 amp, both of them. So the battery capacity is 5000 milliamps with 3.7 volts. Those are the dimensions, and the weight is 4.6 ounces. So it is pretty light. It's probably like the weight of a phone. Nothing too heavy. And here you actually have care and maintenance and just more Skiva branding stuff. So here it shows you different ways you can use the device. Gives you a little chart on which power levels mean what. So ours had 3, so we're between 50 and 75%. And you can charge 2 at the same time. So this is a very nice external battery. This is literally really good for students if they have both devices. You can carry this wherever you want, super compact, and I really like this, and this will definitely be going inside of my book bag. Now, we do have these lightning cables, which is another thing that will be going inside my book bag because they are very small and they look very nice. So here in the back, it gives you some information, so you guys can read that if you want. We already went over that, so you can charge anything that requires a lightning cable with these, and it is a 2-pack, so it's very nice. Comes in a very nice package. I actually really like the packaging. It's really cool. They give you a nice little sticker so you know what it is. It's not just some random packaging. Skiva always has nice packaging. So we open this up, set this bag to the side, and like I said, they have nice packaging. Now we're going to open up one, so let's try to open these up. Everything is really snug, so we do have to dig into them. So I got that open. Here we go. Here we have the 3.2 feet long cable. We will undo this little cable tie, and here we go. So it feels very nice. It actually has a glossy texture to it. It's not matte like the lightning one, and I do like the glossy texture in my opinion. And look at this slim lightning connector. It looks extremely OEM. There's no additional shavings of metal or anything like that. It's actually very nicely crafted. You do have the Skiva branding, and you can barely tell it is a Skiva cable. The only dead giveaway would be the larger USB connector. It is rounded like the older lightning cable and 30-pin cable. It's not as squared off as the original one is, which is not an issue. It's just how you can tell the difference. So it's very nice. It is 3.2 feet long, does the job. I really like them. And you do have two, so you can carry one in your bag and you can carry one in your purse or wherever you want to carry that one. And it's for a very low price. So I really like the price of the device. And here you have your little warranty guide and stuff like that. You do have a 1 year, so if anything goes wrong with it, you can just simply contact Skiva and they'll take care of that for you. Okay, so here we do have our external battery. So we will take this out. We will set the micro USB aside, and here we have the lightning, which we actually don't even need. We have it built in, so we won't be doing a charge test with that portion of it, but we will be doing a charge test with the built-in ones. Now, something I think would be cool if they actually did include a USB port. Also, it's not really necessary, but it would be cool, so then you can charge 2 Apple devices if you want, or 2 micro USB devices. That would be very nice, so we can do a charge test with this. But these are high quality cables, and I did do a charge test with the longer version of this one. It's actually 10 feet long, so you guys can check that video out. And there was no difference or reducement in the performance, so you can take my word for that. These have no performance reducement, so these are very nice cables. So we'll set this aside. We have our lightning right here, so we are actually going to plug this into the iPhone and begin the test. Okay guys, so here I have my 5S, and I am gonna actually have to take my case off because the lightning connector is pretty large, so I think they could work on that and try to make it a little smaller. It would be really cool if they actually made it as small as this one, because I won't be able to fit this into the bottom of my case. It doesn't fit at all, so I will have to take the case off. So I do think it'll be nice if they can actually slim it down a little bit, because as you can see, there is quite a large difference, and we can see that they actually can have it slim, so I don't understand why this one is so thick, but we'll just deal with it. So let me take this case off and we will begin. Okay guys, so I do have the connector plugged in, and it does take up quite a bit of space. This would be a problem if you have a case with a small port opening, but I just took it off for the charge test. So I have the timer set. I'm going to unlock the phone. This is on iOS 8, so I don't think that would affect the charging, but just so you guys know. And we are going to start the timer as soon as we hear the little beep. So we started, and it's at 71%, so it will charge just a little bit slower. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, this is really impressive. We started with 71% and we're now at 77%. That is a 6% gain increase within 5 minutes. Mind you, this is really impressive because I have Bluetooth on, Wi-Fi on, and I do have applications in the background, and the screen was on nearly full blast the whole time. It was at about 80%, and we gained 6% from this tiny battery. Now that's a huge accomplishment, and I'm really impressed with this battery. We do still have 3 bars, so we are still having a lot of capacity left, and we just got 78. This is really impressive. It's not even warm yet, and it's actually charging super efficiently, and that is really nice to see. I really am impressed with this battery. It did a really good job. So the battery did a really good job, and its 5,000 milliamps were like on turbo mode or something because it charged super fast. Now, as I said, it would be nice if there was a USB port, just in case someone doesn't have any of these. Say maybe they have the iPhone 4, 4S, or anything before that, and they wouldn't be able to use this because these are updated connectors. So it would be cool if they squeezed in a little USB port right there so you can use whatever you want, or charge 2 Apple devices or 2 Android devices. That would be really cool. And the other thing would be nice if they slimmed down the connector for the lightning connector, because as you can see, the micro USB connector is very slim, which it doesn't make any sense why the lightning connector is actually way larger. So it would be nice to see a smaller one, and it takes up all this room, and this room could be interchanged for a USB. So those were some improvements that I think would be nice to see with this battery. Other than that, this is super fantastic battery. This is probably, I know, as of September, let's see, as of September 28th, this is literally my favorite battery because it has everything you could want in one. It's so amazing. The power, as you guys just saw, I charged my phone 6% within 5 minutes. I haven't even got that yet on any battery reviewed on this channel. So this is super impressive. Highly recommend this. This is going into my book bag today. Actually, I'm going to fully charge it, and this is going straight into my book bag. So I'm really impressed with this device. So if you guys want to purchase this, I will make sure this is the first link in the description. And don't forget about the wonderful 3.2 foot long cables. These are super nice cables, very slim connector, very high quality. This will also be in the description for purchase. You get 2 for the price of less than 1. So I highly recommend this to you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and leave any questions or suggestions below.